We are here today at Eurowings headquarters. This is a very important milestone to us because this marks the date of starting Eurowings making use of Lido Flight 4D IFS for the very first time. Over the past month, we have seen an increasing number of IFS go-lives throughout our customer base. The adoption to the new flight planning solution has accelerated tremendously, and our customers report back that shortly after implementation, this already has a huge impact on their operations and supports customers' efficiency.
Well, in my opinion, future ready is the main point. We wanted to make a bold move and start the IFS journey. So we started about 6 months ago with the Lido team to go the IFS way. And now we are here with the first Lido IFS start.
What I like the most about the IFS is, on the one hand, the integrated flight following and the map. On the other hand, I also like the interface to the Eurocontrol B2B, which gives us a chance to more easily apply real proposals.
We are very excited and confident to go the IFS way now. And we are also kind of proud to be one of the first airlines with the new Lido IFS.
For us as a provider, Eurowings is very meaningful because the overall project with IT setup, operational setup and dispatch training was running very standardized in a short time frame. That clearly shows how fast and quickly we can roll out if both sides are fully committed.
Mission accomplished. Who is next?